Hi, hello, good evening. Today I am going to show you how to make paneer makhani dosa. For that, here I am taking a pan. After that, add butter or ghee. After that, add dhania, jeera, chilies, red chili, and onions, ginger garlic paste. After frying it, after cooling that, we are going to grind it. Today I am going to grind with badam. Here I am taking walnuts and badam for grinding. Add salt and grind it. After grinding, mix with curd and cream and cook for few minutes. Now I am going to add paneer pieces and cook for few minutes. Our paneer makhani gravy is ready to serve with chapati roti. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye. Take a pan. After heating the pan, spread dosa batter like a dosa. Fry both sides with ghee or oil. On the top, spread paneer makhani gravy. Add little oil and fry few seconds and serve. Our paneer makhani dosa is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.